really thick density, so if you are applying on it, you don't need a whole lot. If you want, well, you only need to do a lot when you're doing it like with 3D with bigger stones, which is we have in that cute little sections there. And make sure you get a no wipe top coat. Again, if you're using a matte top coat, you're gonna apply the matte top coat over instead of no wipe top coat. Floating on the top. This not only like encapsulating your butterflies again, also have so much with crystal placement. With the top coat and no condensed glue gel will grab the base of your crystal, and I'm gonna using it this. Super cute. You can easily find this on a $5 thing is $5 nail art. Oh, outside here. I don't know if I get it right in the screen at all, but here you go. I'm planning my smaller one. I really want to doing the 3D, but I'll save it for the next on a Monday live tutorial, because this is so beautiful with all this. We don't want to taking away from a butterfly. Super cute. So now I'm gonna cure this one for 60 seconds. You can absolutely add more crystals on, like as you want to do. All right, so let's cure this one for 60 seconds. Thanks so much, Jessie. Hey, Alisa, look really good. Left thumb, this left thumb? Yeah. Yes, Alisa, you can watching this tutorial on our IGTV, love. This was full tutorial for this, how I do this nails. Thank you, Laurie from Facebook. All right, so this hot pink, we're gonna move on to the next one. We are going to do is blue. And in this collection is really cute. You can do that lapis